are our 25-inch Taco Marine seats. They're also available in 23, 28, 36, and 40-inch widths. They're available in numerous color vinyls, one-tone or two-tone. They're available with or without our flip-up hinges. All the hardware is 3/16 stainless. That includes our hinges, our armrest brackets, our backrest brackets. The hinges are pinchless, so you can't hurt yourself. They're available with a slide to give you movement forward and back. And also, they're available with fiberglass shells, any color you like, and they're also available without a fiberglass shell, the soft back.
I'm Mike. I own a 31 Cape Horn 2006, and I've decided to change out the leaning post seats with the new Taco seats. Oh, and with me today I have Rick from Taco Marine, and I'm going to show him how easy it is to install these seats. Now I'm going to take the leaning post seat off.
Removing the old seats is a simple process. Just access the area behind or under the seat, remove the bolts, and it should just slide right out. Next, place the seats temporarily in their position so you can mark the distance between the seats as well as where the pilot holes for the bolts go.
Check the center line of the leaning post. 40 inches at 20. So Rick, we're going to move that over to roughly the center.
Towards you?
Yep. And we're going to keep a 1/4 inch distance between the bolster actuator. Now I'm just going to measure out left and right, make sure I'm close. Move it a 1/2 inch that way.
Towards me?
Yep, just a 1/2 inch.
Once you've decided the exact positioning of your seats, use the Taco provided template for your pilot holes. The final step is just putting the seats back on, matching up the holes, and attaching the bolts.
Done. Boom. Installed. It's that easy. The reason why I installed these seats is we make 70-mile rides on a weekly basis. With a flip-up bolster and a flip-down seating, I can ride in style.